big steaks, my dinner. Give it up. Flip that. Canal Street. Flip bags. Last week. Old money. This week. New racks. Never buy none more. If I can't afford the gift wrap. Stunning in your foreign car. You keep riding rental tags. Ew. Heard you roll the other lane, we are not the same. Couple thousand in my pocket, this pocket chick. Rubber bands on my arm, this is not for play. I put 20 on the crib while you cop a chain. I know they hate it or love it. You know I love when they hate it. Last year was living basic. Haters on the other side.
What's going on, everyone? It's King Tuts Pro. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to show you my newly released pack on Sellfy, and that's going to be the 20 drag and drop film textures pack, which you guys can visit right now. If you click the link in the description, it will take you to this page here. Disregard the price right now. It's at 48 hours. You guys are going to get 20% off, so it's going to be 39 instead of 49. So be sure to take advantage of that sale. So if we go through the pack here, you're going to see the different style and the different types of kind of film textures that you can overlay onto your videos to get that really nice kind of music video and that vintage retro style effect without having to spend so much time editing. Also, I do want to let you know that this also works in Adobe Premiere Pro. It works in DaVinci Resolve, and it works in Filmora as well. As long as your editing software has the blend modes over here in the inspector window, just make sure you have the blend modes, these here in your editing software, and that you can also stack your video clips like this. And I'm gonna press Command I to import the clips, and your folder should look like this. And you're gonna have all of your textures in here, their footage. This is the way you actually use them. So you click on one, or if you wanna import all of them, just select the folder and click Import All, and this will import all of the textures here. And then what you got to do is go to your video in the timeline of where you want to add this on. So I'm just going to click and drag this one here, for example, and I'm going to zoom in, and if I push play, it's going to look like this. So I'm going to go over to the inspector tab. I'm going to change the blend mode. For this one, you kind of want to play around to get a certain look. So usually if it's a bright image, you'll usually want to go with darken or multiply. And if it's a dark video, then you would most likely go with these here. So since it's a brighter video, we're going to go over to multiply and kind of see what that looks like. So in this case, it's a little too dark. So maybe darken, we'll lighten it up a little bit and kind of change the highlights. I think hard light looks the best. So I'm going to go and drag this over here so you can see it looks absolutely insane. So here's another area that we can use this on. So if I push play, it's going to look something like this. And then we can do a different one. So we're going to go with the number 16, film texture 16. And if I push play, it's going to look like this. In order for this to work, go to blend mode and change it from normal to overlay. So before and after, and let me drag it onto this clip here. So again, you can see the difference. It just looks amazing. So we can change this to maybe soft light to get a slightly different look. And let's try another one here just to show you guys what you get in this entire pack. So we can do this one as well. So I'll click and drag to change it. Just go with one of these. So we can do like vivid light, and this will of course brighten up the image, as you can see. Oh man, that looks so nice. Now, if you wanted to overlay the textures, you can easily do that by just dragging one above. So maybe we can do this one. Just click and drag this one like that, and then change it. For this one, we're gonna go with screen or lighten. So now when I push play, you have this super cool film textures overlay, and then you can also do one of these with the light leak. So you can use this as a transition as well if you wanted to, but I'm gonna go with screen on this one. And let's see what it looks like. Oh man, that looks so cool. And I'm gonna go over to one more asset here so you can see what you can do with this. So I'm gonna click and drag, and then I'm gonna change the blend mode of this one to screen. The black bars are just because it's kind of cropped, so we're gonna kind of scale this up. And if we go back and push play, it's gonna look just like that. So cool. I hope you guys do enjoy these more frequent videos on the channel. If you guys do, please consider leaving a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on a video like this. That'll be it for this video. Peace.